What's going on, pipe people? It is Monday evening. I'm sitting here in traffic in the horrible, terrible blizzard Juno of 2015. Let me tell you, it's crazy. Look at this. You see all that? Out of control. I'm sitting here in traffic in New York City. It's obviously not crazy. So we'll call it the blizzard. No, in all seriousness, I think it will probably get some significant snow, but not anytime soon. The roads are just filled with slush. It's been snowing on and off. I don't know. They say like 30 inches. I don't believe it, but we'll see. I mean, in 30 inches, it's really not that bad. You know, 2.5 feet. You shovel it, move on with it. It's really not that big of a deal. But I wanted to just take a minute, since I'm sitting here in traffic, figure I'd say hi and make a video. I'm smoking a pipe anyway. You know, sitting here in traffic in what they say is a blizzard, or is going to be a blizzard, with 2.5 feet of snow coming, I think that's a little bit nerve-wracking because, you know, snow can fall pretty quickly. So I'm hoping that I don't get stranded here. That would suck. But smoking some Sleepy Hollow and my Brandt. I don't know if you can see this at all, but you know, humor me. Or at least I'm humoring myself, I guess. It's some Sleepy Hollow gifted to me by Subdog Millionaire. Thank you, Tony. In the past few weeks, I found myself going back to this time and time again. The other day, I smoked some Old Dark Fired, which was nice. I haven't had that in a while. But I've pretty much been going between this Sleepy Hollow and my stock of Virginias. I should probably slow down on the Sleepy Hollow, obviously, because I won't be able to smoke it again until, what, October of next year? But all is well. I got a new shovel. An old shovel broke the other day. It was a cheap little thing, so I went and got a heavier one with like the steel edge and the bent handle, so I don't break my back. And some ice. No, not ice. Salt. I don't need ice. There's gonna be plenty of that. And some salt. I think I'll be good. Got a bottle of rum and some movies to watch. Some Netflix. Just finished watching The Newsroom. I don't know if any of you guys watched that, but that's awesome. Ah, it scared me. But yeah, I'm thoroughly enjoying this Sleepy Hollow. You know, one thing that I'm smoking, I got it right here next to me, is this bad boy, Gunhill Flake. Came in my Secret Santa box, and I love it. I love it, love it, love it. I hadn't tried it before, and it's just for those who don't know, it's a Virginia, red Virginia, I think. It may be like a red and gold Virginia blend, yellow Virginia. But it is delicious. Even though I love Virginias, I hadn't tried it because it's a lighter Virginia. I typically like my Virginias darker. which I've told you before. Don't mean to sound like a broken record. It is what it is. Anyway, so I stayed away from that. Virginia, just didn't really venture out and try it, and got it in my Secret Santa box, and I was like, all right, now I get to try it, and I love it, man. I popped the tin pretty much as soon as I got the Secret Santa, and then I didn't smoke it. You know, I wanted to see what the flakes looked like. Generally, I like to pop a tin anyway, and then just forget about it, because it gives it some time to interact with the air and then really, you know, bring out the real flavors. I find that if I smoke no matter what it is, if it's, you know, if it's ribbon cut, if it's flake, whatever it is, if I smoke it right out of the tin, I feel like the flavor hasn't really matured yet. I don't know. That's just my mouth. But it is delicious. It sort of reminds me of Sam Guitt's Best Brown. The Best Brown has something else going on with it, like at the end of the flavor. You know, there's no casing or anything, I don't think. Not that I can detect on either of these. But there's a subtle nuance with the Best Brown that isn't in this Dunhill Flake. Still a really, really good smoke, though. You know, it's straightforward. No muss, no fuss. Virginia. Sweet. Hay-like. It's good stuff. I learned a new word the other day. I'm sure, well, it'll be familiar to most, if not all of you, but it was new to me. Lunting. I think that's a hilarious word. There were two gentlemen in in the pipe community who recently made lunting videos. One was Nathan Campbell, Nate the Great, and the other, and I can't remember his name. I'm just like having a crazy brain fart right now. Big guy, he's Brazilian, lives in South Carolina. I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about. Mustache, beard. I think he plays rugby. Apparently I know his whole life story. No, love his channel, and I can't remember his name, so forgive me. Yeah, so they made videos recently, and lunting was in the title. I'm like, what is this lunting? So and so I looked it up. Walking while smoking a pipe. I'm like, oh man, I do that all the time. So yeah, I thought that was pretty funny. Learn something new every day. Anyway, I just wanted to hop on here, say what's up to you guys. If you are in this weather, stay safe. If you are not, I am jealous of you. Enjoy it. I have the day off of work tomorrow. I'll probably have the morning off on Wednesday, just as they clear the snow. But we'll see. You know, I'll have fun with it while it's here. We've been long overdue for a snowstorm. Anyway, so be well. Happy smokes.